Used to wonder what friendship could be,
My little pony.
until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure,
Tons of fun.
a beautiful heart, faithful and strong.
Sharing kindness.
It's an easy feat, and magic makes it all complete. You have my
Colosseum and chariot race are cool. So is this Julius Caesar, even though he's flying.
I bet our project could have been great if we'd done it together.
There is a lot of good stuff here. Maybe we don't have to start over.
A primary entry point EAS system has issued a national emergency broadcast for the entirety of the United States until further notice. Your life is in severe danger. Supposedly in 1 hour we will fall under this unknown entity's spell, so watch out for any symptoms of this spell.
Miles and miles of back roads and highways connecting little
Time's running out, so we need to come up with a mission to stop this madness. But we can't. The spell will reclaim us. What if we do a Blitz-style mission? That works. That works. Who's this? I'm Fluttershy. Nice to meet you. Oh hi, Fluttershy. Will you help on our mission? Yes, but it sounds big and scary. Oh, it didn't work. Our mission didn't work. We didn't activate the counter spell.